Welcome to the Crackers in a Washing Machine Disaster. Starring Jonathan, the boy who is something wrong with his face. He's got a rare disease like cancer. And his wife, who's standing up. So let's start now. Hey, honey. Hey, come here. I gotta show you the new washing machine. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that washing machine up there. Hey. Oh my god. My legs. Oh my god, we've got to call the ambulance. Look at that, it's a monster thing. Quick, get the telephone. I think that this is an old-timey telephone right here. Let's look. Yes, it looks like one. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. I'm trying to call it. Hey. Oh god, I fell. Now I fell. That's bad. Oh, my bad. Can I get my camera? Okay, hello, 911. Let's call them in. Hey, quick, load her in the truck. Okay. And away it goes. Oh my god, it's a cliff. God, this just keeps getting worse and worse. I'm gonna go do a heavy thing of drinking. Gotta go to the refrigerator. Can this refrigerator open? Good, it's open. Oh no, we're out of alcohol. I think I better go over here and get in my truck. Where's my truck? Get the truck. Yes, good, okay. Alright, that remotely kind of looks like a truck, okay. Okay, getting in. It's a school bus. There we go, that's the truck I was talking about. Good driving, okay. After 3 hours, he comes back from a night of drinking. Oh my god, drunk driving!